How to report identity theft on the Australian Cybersecurity Center mobile site. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to report identity theft quickly and easily on the Australian Cybersecurity Center mobile site. Step 1. Open your mobile browser and go to the ACSC website. Open your mobile browser and type in cyber.gov.au. This is the official website of the Australian Cybersecurity Center. Tap on the menu icon in the top corner of the site and choose Report Cyber, or go straight to the Report section from the home page. From the list of cyber incident options, choose Identity Theft to ensure your report is properly categorized. Provide all the required details, including what happened, when it occurred, and any supporting evidence you may have. Be as accurate as possible to help with the investigation. Review your details and tap Submit. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation reference number for your records. And that's it. Your identity theft report has now been submitted to ACSC, helping to protect you and others from cybercrime.